Hi, my subscribers. If you are a new subscriber, I welcome you to my page. My name is Kingsmancy Mbamara, and if you are old and returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I would like to show us how to appeal for Facebook violation. I'm talking of those ones that see violation on their pages, or maybe you might encounter those things in future if you are a Facebook page owner. So you might encounter it in future. So I like to show you how to maneuver those things, how to appeal to get it removed. So the reason why you should appeal to Facebook is for them is to call back their attention to your page, so that they can be able to look into it, review your page, and then remove those violations. Because if you don't appeal, they might likely not to remove the violation from your page. Some violations are not actually violations. Some are automated, and some are being checked by robots, not human review. But when you appeal, then they will call their attention for human review. Then a human being will review your page and then clean your page for you. Because some violations are not really violations. You see some people putting up 100% of their original content, but they still tag them violations. So you have to appeal. You have to appeal to get all those things ratified, so that you can be able to do your business freely. Because violation stops your content from reaching to far audience. It stops Facebook from suggesting your content to others, and it stops the growth of your page. Even in terms of monetization, it can hinder you from monetizing your page. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So guys, moving forward, this is my phone screen. Then you click on Facebook, it will bring you to your page. Then click on your page. Before you appeal, please make sure you get your page link. Okay, get your page link first before you appeal. So what you have to click on this white icon, these three dots here at the right side. You click it. When you click it, okay, it will bring you to a place like this. Then down you see where it's written copy link. So what you have to do is click on it. When you click on it, then you copy the link, then go back. Okay, go back to the place that is written help and support. Okay, so it will bring you a place like this. Now scroll down. Okay, all you have to do is you scroll down. This is my page, so scroll down to help and support. You come at a place that is written report a problem. Okay, report a problem. Or what you have to do is you click on the report a problem. Okay, that is after support inbox. So what you have to do is click on report a problem. It will bring you to a place like this. Ignore this thing, come down to continue to report. That continue to report is where you have to click. Okay, and mind you have already copied your link already. Okay, so you are with your link. So what you have to do is click on continue to report. It will bring you to a place here. You go down, you see where it's written don't include. Click that don't include, and when you click, it will bring you to a place like this. What you have to do is you come down to a place written pages. Please, if you are reporting for profile, click on profile. Okay, but if you're not reporting on profile, please, where you have to click is your page. This is where everything normally is done. Okay, so whatever you click here will determine what you are appealing for. So what you have to do is click on pages. It will bring you to a place like this. It's written report a technical problem. Okay, so in this place you have to report everything that is your problem. You have to write it here on this what went wrong. So I don't know how to go about it, but I don't have any issue of violation on my page. But we got to try, to write something. I'm just trying to show you how to go about it. Not that I'm a professional, not that I'm good at writing all these things, but you have to do it better than me in this particular stage. Okay, please don't mind me. I'm just using it for example. Okay, because I don't have a violation on my page. So let's begin with hello sir or ma. I don't know, don't laugh at me, but this is how I just want to start it. Okay, I am having problems. Okay, I think we should go with I'm having a problem. Okay, or difficulties on my page. Okay, which I think is not proper. Okay, which I think is not proper because I didn't. Yes, I didn't violate any rules or any copyright, anything you know. Now you know what you do, you know what you did. Okay, so if it is copyright, whatever you say, I didn't violate any copyright guidelines. If it is a rule, if it is a violations, you know what you do. So just write it there that you didn't do that, or if you know the best way to appeal, or it was a bit, if it is a mistake, you say the mistake. Or if you said that they got you wrong, you said that your intention wasn't to do this or do that, or they got you wrong. So you know the better way to go about it, to write to them based on what is the problem. So because I don't have issues on my page is very clean. I think I have to go with this. After all, I'm just teaching you how to do it, not that I'm necessarily going to send it because I don't have issues. So moving forward, but the okay, I didn't violate any rules, but is showing me that I violated. Sorry, I wrote double E's, but it doesn't matter. It's showing me that I violated the Facebook guideline rules or whatever. Okay, you know how to go about it. So just write it there. Say me that I violated Facebook guideline, and because of it, I can't freely do my business. So you have to let them know you're a very serious business person. Okay, I can't really do my business on my page. Let them know how serious the damage is. Okay, so please, I am appealing. I am appealing to you to rectify. Sorry, it's a mistake. To review my page again. Okay, and rectify. No, sorry, yeah, and rectify it. Yeah. Okay. And rectify the issues, which I think was done by mistake. Okay, which I think was a mistake. Because you should let them know that because it wasn't human review that they made the mistake, the machine made the mistake. Okay, which I think was done by mistake. Then what they have to do is try to thank them, thank Mark and his corporation. Okay, thank you very much. As I await, is that right? As I await, okay, let's go like that. As I await your positive, a positive response. Okay, then what you have to do is, after writing all this grammar, please post that link. What you have to do is just click ahead to come out as paste. Click paste. If you click paste, the link you copied, your page link you copied, will automatically be here. The reason for this is so that it will be easy for them to check your page. Okay, if you don't put your link here, thousands and millions of people are doing this on a daily basis. So for you to make it easier for them, is you put your link, and after you finish putting your link, Okay, then you have to take a screenshot. Click on that, take a screenshot to bring you here. Then if you know where the problem is, go to that place. Okay, let me see. If you are trying to check your status, this is it. Click on that star icon up. If you want to check your status, whether you violated anything, then click on page settings, then scroll down. You see where it's written status. Click on status. Or if you want to know whether they are recommending your page, click page recommendation. Okay, then it will bring you here. I have many videos on how to, as you can see, is on green. That shows that it has no violation. That's my one of my page. So this is page status. Where you click on page status, it will tell you whether you have violations or not. And this is page recommendation. That shows that they're recommending my page. I don't have any violation. Okay, I have a video on how to check your violation. If you want to check on it, just go to my pages, you see it. Then another way to check is where you click on support inbox. If you want to check your violation, another way is where you click on support inbox. There you click on your alert. If you have any issue that is very serious, it will appear on your alert. I have videos. Please, you can check those videos there. I have many tutorial videos. So as you can see, no violation. That shows that I don't have any violation on my page. Okay, so I'm just doing this to help you, not because I have violation. I don't have violation. Everything is on green. Okay, so assuming that I have violation, what I have to do is take a screenshot. I'll just click take a screenshot. If I click take a screenshot, it will automatically screenshot this problem. As you can see, that is the screenshot right here with the letter you've already written and your page link attached to it. Okay, so I don't have any problem. If I didn't have any problem, I would just send. So what you have to do after you might have done all these things and it brings you here, what you have to do is click on send. This send icon at the right upper side of my phone. Just click send and your issue will be resolved in 2 to 3 days or more. What you have to do is keep on checking your email or checking your phone notification. They would send response to you, concerning what you have appealed or review. Okay, so this is what they have to do is they have to take it to a human review. Human review will go through your page and then tell if you have a violation. If you have a violation, they will tell you which way forward, what you have to do. Okay, how we have to go about it. So after everything, they will get it removed. Okay, some violations are not necessary because you violated, but because the machine checking on it saw something that is related to somewhere, it will tag you violation. Okay, so please don't forget, my name is still remain Kingsmancy Mbamara. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my page, subscribe to my channel. And if you're having any issues on monetization, you can relate to me, just check on me. Okay, DM me, I will get it ratified. I will help you ratify it. Okay, so for my old subscribers, I appreciate